in today. It's a little cold and windy. But here's our 2005 Ford F650 flatbed. It's got the 5.9 liter Cummins motor. Salvage title. It had some minor front end damage to this side here, but we've replaced the hood. The bumper is original. We didn't have to do anything to the bumper at all. Got a brand new grille to it. Go ahead and lash her back down. See, there's a few marks in the fiberglass right there. Front tires, actually all the tires could be replaced soon. Little mark right there in the hood. Down here on the step, fuel tank's on this side. I believe it's a 65-gallon fuel tank. You can see there's some damage there on the steps. Not real major, but still there. This is an extended cab. This truck's only got 46,000 miles on this truck, and as you can see, there's still plastic on the back seat. That's how nice the cab is. See here, the fender flare is a little dented up. Now this truck was rear-ended, and this T-bar here was replaced brand spanking new. Again, you know, tires will get you home, but I would probably replace them sometime soon. See, this fender flare here's got some scratches and dents on it. Open up one of the toolboxes for you. See, there's just some random stuff in there. Here on the front part of the driver door, there's some damage. This fender flare was replaced. Like I said, the hood was replaced. There's a little damage there. Doesn't really affect anything, so we left it the way it was. Come on inside here. Go ahead, we've got lights for auxiliary, tool, flood, beacon. We'll go ahead and turn PTO on really quick. That's PTO on. See, our wheel lift goes up and down. It's all greased. Yes, the center pin right there, that was replaced brand new as well with the bushing. That all works. Here's the winch. You can see the winch cable tighten up. Winch works fine. And then, now this is a Kylar bed, as you can see. It is a steel bed. The rails are solid, they're fixed, they do not remove. Should have probably turned our high idle up a little bit. I think I'll go ahead and do that really quick for us. Turn the high idle up, you just turn the cruise on. And then you can hit your cruise up. flatbed is going to move quite a bit faster here. Yep. See here, a cable ran up against this box here, caused a little damage there and there. They both can be cleaned up. Got deck lights right here. All right. Turn our PTO off. Of course, emergency brake. Here we do have air on the truck. As far as I can tell, that's only for the air horn right there. There is no air ride, no air brake, so I don't know if it runs anything else. I don't know what it would run if it does run something else. We'll go ahead and put it in drive. You can see right now there's 46,784 miles on this truck. Runs and drives great. Now it's not a fully loaded truck by any means. I believe the Kylar bed is a 21-foot bed. Take it up to speed. Radio works. You got the heat on right now. It's nice and toasty in here. No issues that I can see whatsoever. We're doing about 57 miles an hour, doing about 1,700 RPMs. Truck rides real smooth. I don't feel any shimmies or rattles or anything like that. I can set our cruise right there. Our cruise is on. My foot's off the gas. And Got the cruise locked about 59 miles an hour, just shy of 2,000 RPMs. This is the 5.9 liter. It's pre-emission truck 2005. Cup holder here. Nothing in the glove box. And we have only one set of keys. So again, this one's got just the manual horn here, or down here we have the air horn. Does have power windows, power locks. Runs out really nice. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email us.